Greetings to all. Welcome to 72Pi, a premium portal for curated research and analysis on stocks and markets, which enables you to invest like a pro. The main website provides you very concise information, a lot of actionable intelligence for disciplined investing. There is a section here where you can actually type in any stock. The portal itself has 5 main modules. The first one is markets with Market Monitor, which provides clear information about the performance, the valuation, the historical comparison of where the market is, the risk situation of the market, looking at the volatility and the correlation of the different indices. The market section also provides a quick monthly overview, the view from the investors here in terms of how to tackle the next month. This is provided at the beginning of every month, whether you want to stay with the market, you want to be thinking about buying on dips, booking some profits on rally, and so on. In the crypto section, there is crypto monitoring, which is an overview of the crypto marketplace. There is crypto technical analysis, where you see hundreds of crypto assets and their relative performance, qualitative numbers, technical signals, and so on. The next section is stocks, which is one of the larger sections here. In this, you will see stocks that are curated and picked in terms of growth, leaders in their individual industries, sector leaders, and small cap gems. For example, if I click on small cap gems, you will see 30 curated small cap companies, and you can see their year-to-date performance. You can study them. You click on any one of these, and you will get a full-blown detailed analysis of that particular stock. In the stock section, you would also see a model portfolio that we operate, where we provide the transparent information about what has been bought when, the relative performance to indices, how much we have in cash, what are the stocks that are in the current portfolio, and when the transactions have happened. You can look at, in a very concise manner, the active names in the portfolio, the additions, when they were done, the exits, when they were done, to manage this portfolio. Similarly, you have curated thematic portfolios, which provide you portfolios which are designed to perform well in all kinds of market conditions. What are the large cap mutual funds? What are the top mutual funds targeting mid cap stocks holding as mid cap names, right? So you can get the details here. You can look at those portfolio stocks and you can get a sense and evaluate the opportunities there. Moving on, we have 2 powerful screening mechanisms to look at the entire market and screen for particular stocks based on quantitative, fundamental, technical, or risk parameters. I would show you a very powerful automated index wizard, which is a very curated way to quickly look at what stocks are performing well, where is the momentum in the market. I'm looking at Nifty Alpha 50 here. Based on fundamental filters, I would just get this 50 stocks reduced to 27. I want to filter them further down based on technical signals to 16 quantitative signals. You end up with 5 stocks. These 5 stocks are Astral, Cipla, Firstsource, Jubilant, and Mphasis. You can look at their performance, quick back testing to see over the last year, if I had held these 5 stocks, how the performance would be. Similarly, on a portfolio intelligence section, we have a number of different portfolios that you can build and manage here. You can look at a dashboard summary of each portfolio, how its performance is, what are its constituents, what have you built, how do you compare your portfolio factors to Nifty and small cap index and mid cap index and so on. There are some very powerful tools in here. These are built to give institutional grade analytics and modeling techniques to individual investors. We encourage you to spend some time here and understand this. We're happy to provide more information. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. I would also like to point out that we have 2 portals. 72pi.in is for the Indian market. 72pi.ai is for the US market, where the entire US market is analyzed and open to you for performing your own analytics, looking at the growth, leaders, sector leaders, gems, curated portfolio, 72 Pi model portfolio for US, and so on. Thank you. Happy investing. Look forward to hearing from you.